Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy Note 10 versus a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. S10 Plus comes with Exynos 9820 chip with 8 gigs of RAM and it is a 8 nanometer process, while the Note 10 comes with Exynos 9825 chip with 8 GB RAM as well, and it is a 7 nanometer process. So very interesting to see who is going to be the fastest one. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and look them up first, about the same on both phones, and let's see. Very interesting speed test. I'm gonna show you how much the difference between Note 10 versus the S10 Plus. And you can see Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, about 1 second difference there. And we have a 6.4-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display on the S10 Plus versus a 6.3-inch with Full HD Super AMOLED display, so little bit difference there. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background and you can see, and the first application is the phone dialer, and you can see that is about the same on both phones. Messages, again that was about the same. Settings, and that felt a little bit quicker on the Note 10 followed by the S10 Plus. S10 Plus is right behind. My clock, that was about the same on both phones. And you can see again in the calendar application, my files, that was about the same on both phones, and you can see. So moving on with the contacts, that was about the same. So moving on with some games application. So first on the list we have is the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that was about the same on both phones. 8 nanometer versus a 7 nanometer process. Subway Surfer, and we have a dual cameras on the S10 Plus inside the Infinity O display versus a single camera on the Note 10. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and again that was about the same, no difference when it comes of games, apps, loading time, speed. And you can see maybe S10 Plus is little bit faster there. Both Note 10 and S10 Plus is give you a same system based application speed. So last opening up the application that is called as the cameras, that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 followed by the S10 Plus. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones, same Wi-Fi network. So first website is the Wikipedia, and you can see both phones is super duper quick, but Note 10 is little bit faster there. The scrolling is very smooth on both phones, same thing zooming in and out. So next website is the wwe.com, and it's a heavy website. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one, and both phones is about the same in this website speed. Let's see the scrolling, it is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever, and you can see very fast performance. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones comes with a 8 GB RAM, so very interesting to see who is best in the RAM management. So phone dialer, and we have a lot of apps in the background. So far both phones is showing some good RAM management performance. No refresh so far on both phones. And last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see, and guys, you can see that the app's opening speed is about the same speed on both phones, and RAM management is also incredible on both phones, no difference there between these devices. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy Note 10 versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.